Good morning, madam. Today, our group need to presentation about the topic 10, land system. And my name is Liao Weijie. My group member have Angel Nan, Lion Chao, Yap Jing and also the Sir Wei Heng. So for now, I need to presentation about the land system. What is a LAN? A local area network is a computer network that is designed for a limited geographical area, such as a building, office, or university campus. LAN are mainly used to connect computer and device within an organization so that they can share resources, for example, printer, file, and application. Although a LAN can be used as an isolated network, most LAN today are connected to a wide area network or the internet. This allows users to communicate and access information beyond their local environment. Okay, so all for now, the part LAN technology and technology is have many technology can be used with LAN, but the internet is the most dominant LAN technology today. Besides that, the Ethernet has evolved through multiple generations to support higher data rate and better performance. And for the last is that despite speed change, the upper layer for the network architecture remain the same across LAN type. Next. So for the LAN architecture and OSI layer, the network and also transport and application layer are common to all LANs. The data link layer is divided into some logical link control and also the media access control. On top of that, the LAN mainly differ in their MAC sub layer and also their physical layer. And for now, let's go through for the traditional internet. So let's start for the overview of traditional Ethernet. For the first point is traditional Ethernet also will call standard as Ethernet operate at 10 Mbps. It use a share medium, meaning all stations share the same communication channel. The access method used is CSMN or the CD. The full name is Carrier Scenes Multiple Access with Collision Detection. And for the last point is it apply one persistent CSMN CD where station transmit immediately once the median is either. So I will pass to my group member for the next point.
Hi, madam. My name is Internan. So I'll be explaining about the Ethernet frame format overview. So we have Ethernet frames contain seven fields, which is Primble start frame delimiter SFT and destination address, source address, length, type, data, and also CLC. So basically, Ethernet is an unreliable medium because it does not acknowledge receive frames, and the error recovery is handled by higher layers. Next. So Ethernet frame fields, the details is Primble, a 56-bit pattern used for synchronization. For the SFT, it indicates the start of the frame. Last two bits are 11. For the type and length, one is smaller than 1518 is length of data. For type of protocol is larger than 1536. The data view is minimum 46 bytes and maximum is 1500 bytes. The CRC uses CRC32 for error detection. Next. frame length rules. The minimum Ethernet frame size is 64 bytes, and for the maximum is 1,518 bytes. If the data is less than 46 bytes, the padding is added. This limit ensures collision detection works properly. Next. Each station has a network interface card, which is NIC. For every NIC has a 6-byte, 48-bit physical address written in hexadecimal. Destination address types unicast is one receiver, and for the multicast is group of receivers. For the broadcast is all stations. If the least significant bit of the first byte is 0 is equal to unicast. If 1, then is multicast. Broadcast address is 48 ones. Next. For the next one is physical layer and implementations. There are 4 of them. The first one is LAN, local area network. It limited to small areas like an office or school. The second one, WAN, wide area network. It covers large areas, for example, the internet. And the third one, MAN, metropolitan area network, city or regional coverage. The last one, PAN, personal area network. It connects personal devices such as Bluetooth. So now I'll pass to my next member.
Thank you, Zenan, for present. My name is Lion Chao, and now I will present about physical layer and information. For this type, traditional Ethernet operator at 10 megabyte per second and use Manchester encoding. Because of this encoding, it require a bandwidth of 20 megabyte. And the physical layer include components such as the PLS, AUI, and MAU. There's several Ethernet implementation, including 10 base 5 and 10 base 2, 10 base T, and 10 base FL, which use different type of cable. Next. And this slide will explain the bridge and switch Ethernet, and the bridge divide a LAN smaller condition domain, and which reduce the condition, and each segment become its out condition domain, improving network performance. And switch Ethernet expand this idea by providing each device with a dedicated connection. As a result, switch increase overall network efficiency. Next. And now is full to Ethernet. And the first one, traditional Ethernet is hard to pay, and meaning data can only be sent or received at one time. And full to pay Ethernet allows data to be sent and received simultaneously, and the effectively double the bandwidth from 10 megabyte to 20 megabyte per second. In full, CMMS CD is no longer required in full pay mode. And next. And for this slide, I will introduce fast internet. And fast internet was developed to meet the need for higher data rate, and it operated at 100 megabyte, and made sub-layer remain unchanged from traditional internet. And the last one is frame format and addressing remain the same. Next.
Hello, madam. My name is Jin and now I will talk about auto negotiation. So for auto negotiation allows device to detect each other capabilities and choose the best fit and mode. So it is designed to allow in compatible device to connect and support multiply device capabilities and check hub capabilities. Next. Now I will talk about the fast external implementation. So they got three types, and it is 100 base TX, FX, and T4. So for 100 base TX is used twice pair cables and is encoding 4B or 5B plus MLT3. And for 100 base FX is used fiber optics cable and it's used 5B or 4B plus NRZL. And the last is 100 base T4 is used category 3 UTP and encoding is 8-bit or 60. Next. For gigabyte external, is operate at 1000 Mbps and MSC sublayer could not remain fully unchanged due to high speed. So it got two modes. One is half duplex and the second is full duplex. The full duplex is most common. Next. For gigabyte external physical layer, it uses GMII gigabyte medium independent interface. It transfer X-bit parallel data from reconciliations sublayer to PHY. And it is exit inside the NIC and not externally. Next. And it got 4 types. The first three is 1000 base X. It got XX, LX, and CX. For SX, it is short wave fiber. And for the LX is long wave fiber, and the CX is copper and not implement. And for the last is the 1000 base T, it used tri-pair cable and encoding is 4D PMS. And now I will pass to next member.
Hi, I'm Wei Heng. Now I would like to present wireless LANs and Bluetooth. Wireless LANs overview. Wireless are widely used in campus, office, homes, and public areas. The advantages of wireless LANs and Bluetooth is mobility, the easy installation, the flexibility, and the scalability. The focus technologies is IEEE 802.11, wireless Ethernet, and also Bluetooth. Next, I would like to introduce IEEE 802.11 and BSS and ESS. BSS, the basic server set. It includes a station and optional access point. It's without AP, the ad hoc network. ESS, extend service set. Multiple BSS connected via a wired LAN. It allows roaming across BSS. The Bluetooth technology. Bluetooth is designed for small wireless LANs. It forms ad hoc networks called Piconets based on IEEE 802.15 PAN standard. Operates at 1 Mbps using 2.4 GHz frequency. Next is the Bluetooth Piconet and Scatternet. The Piconet is one primary with masters. It up to 7 secondary devices. The Scatternet. The multiple Piconets are interconnected. Device can act as master in one and slave in other. It allows flexible device communication. The conclusion. The LAN system introduced the LAN connects local device efficiently, enabling resource sharing and forming the foundation of modern networking. The traditional Ethernet. Traditional Ethernet provides reliable wired communication using CSMA/CD and standardized frame formats. The fast Ethernet. Fast Ethernet increased network speed to 100 MB per second while maintenance Ethernet's core architecture. The Gigabyte Ethernet. Gigabyte Ethernet deliver high-speed data transmission, supporting modern bandwidth-intensive applications. The wireless LANs. Wireless LANs offer flexible mobile connectivity using IEEE 802.11 standards. The Bluetooth. Bluetooth enable the short range, the low power wireless communication for personal and portable device. And these all provided by our presentation. Thank you for watching until here. Thank you, madam.